Hello there! Right here, I have a Sony Ericsson T700 mobile phone, and today I'll be showing you the ringtones, themes, as well as other features of this phone. It was originally released back in 2008 and it comes in three colors: black on silver, black on red, as well as shining silver, which is the one I have right over here. The bottom contains nothing of any particular interest, whereas the left contains Sony's proprietary fast port charging and data syncing input, as well as a slot to put in M.2 memory cards, as well as a latch to open the back cover. The top also has nothing of any interest, whereas on the right side we can see another latch for opening the back cover, volume keys, as well as a shutter key. On the back we have a very nice feeling aluminium back cover, as well as a 3.2 megapixel fixed focus camera with an LED flash, and this is the speaker grill. Alright, so let's turn it on. Okay, now we're at the main menu right now. Let's take a look at what's on the menu. Alright, we have access to Play Now, Internet, Entertainment, Camera, Messaging, Media, Alarms, Contacts, FM radio, Calls, Organizer, as well as Settings. So let's go and hear the ringtones first. So now let's go and take a look at the themes. Alright, let's take a look at the wallpapers that come with this phone. Alright, so let's take a look at the games. Nothing really out of the ordinary anyway, it's just a simple generic puzzle game that we have seen countless times under different names. So let's get out of here and show you the other games, I guess. Right, it's a very simple game just like Arkanoid. So I guess there's not really much to see over here. So let's just end the game and show you other miscellaneous features of this phone. Alright? Okay, here's the activity menu, which I found very useful. It gives you access to shortcuts that you can add and customize on your own, shortcuts to the internet, notifications, as well as the ability to multitask certain applications. It also includes some features such as Video DJ, which is essentially a mini movie editor, Photo DJ, which allows you to customize photos based on your preference. For instance, light balance, brightness, color balance, rotation, adding effect, adding an item. Alright. Oops. Music DJ, which is essentially your own music composer similar to iGarage. Okay, so next we also have a demo tour, which I will not show you since there's already a version uploaded on YouTube. I'll leave the link in the description for you to check it out if you are interested. And now let's take a look at the camera. Press 0 for help. That's interesting. Okay, this camera is 3.2 megapixels fixed focus, so don't expect to use for macro. And here are the settings. Panorama, frames, bursts, okay. Picture size, night mode, light, self-timer, white balance, effects, and even more settings. Oh well. I'll not bother you any further and just let you take a look at the photos and the video samples I've shot on this phone for your own viewing pleasure. Enjoy! Alright, that concludes my short retrospective of the Sony Ericsson T700 mobile phone. Overall, I do really like this phone, just not only because of how good it looks, but also of the strength of the Sony Ericsson user interface for feature phones. That's it, and remember to like, comment and subscribe my videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you and bye!